Hi everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Web Tech Guide. In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress through your Cpanel, which is the easiest method for installing WordPress. Let us go to our Cpanel. So here is our Cpanel and we are going to install WordPress with the help of the Softaculous apps installer. Just scroll down and locate the Softaculous apps installer. Alright, there it is. And here is the list of the website that I have installed WordPress on. So just click on install. The first thing is to choose the destination URL. Just choose the website URL that you want to install WordPress on, and then select the WordPress version you want to install. Then type your site name here and your site description. Admin username, you can use any name you want, and your password. I would advise that you use a very strong password and a password that you can easily remember. In this section, you can choose to install any of these plugins on your WordPress website, but we don't need any of this for now. You can install plugins and themes from your WordPress dashboard. Click on install and this is going to take a few seconds. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now you have your WordPress installed and this is your WordPress website URL. Let us check it out. We notice another link here called the administrative URL. This is where you can log into your admin dashboard. As you can see, our WordPress has now been installed on the website. So let us click on this link to access our admin dashboard. This is your admin dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.